Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a successful graphic designer? Welcome to a world where creativity meets technology, where the power of visuals shapes our digital landscape. This vibrant universe is graphic design, a field that's more relevant now than ever before. It's the invisible hand that guides our decisions, from the products we buy to the apps we can't live without. What does it take to thrive in this realm? A keen eye for aesthetics, an understanding of what makes people tick, and the technical skills to bring your visions to life. It requires a blend of creativity, psychology, and technology. Whether it's creating a compelling logo or designing an intuitive website, graphic design is at the heart of our digital experiences. It's a field that's continuously evolving, offering endless opportunities for those with the passion and dedication to master its craft. If you're interested in exploring this vibrant field, stick around as we unravel the steps to becoming a successful graphic designer. Graphic designing is not just about creating attractive images, it requires a deep understanding of the basics. Let's dive in, shall we? First up, color theory. This isn't about choosing your favorite hues and going to town. It's the science and art of using color to evoke emotion, create atmosphere, and convey meaning. Different colors and combinations can have a profound effect on how a design is perceived. Think of a sunset, for instance. The warm hues of orange, red, and gold can stir feelings of calm and wonder. That's color theory in action. Next, we have typography. Now you might think, it's just letters, right? Oh, how wrong you are. Typography is the art of arranging type to make the text both legible and visually appealing to the reader. It's about choosing the right font, size, spacing, and layout to communicate your message effectively. It can make the difference between a design that's merely okay and one that's truly compelling. Now, let's talk layout and composition. Layout refers to the arrangement of elements on a page, while composition is about how these elements interact with each other. A well-planned layout and composition guide the viewer's eye through the design, creating a visual narrative. It's like directing a movie, where every shot is carefully planned to tell the story in the most engaging way. And then, we have the basics of design principles like balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity. These are the building blocks of any design. They help to create a sense of order, engage the viewer, and enhance the overall visual experience. These elements, color theory, typography, layout, composition, and design principles, are integral to creating successful designs. They're like the ingredients in a recipe. Each one has its own role, but when combined in just the right way, they create something truly delicious. Mastering these basics will provide a strong foundation for your journey into graphic design. And remember, every great designer started with these basics. So take your time, learn them well, and before you know it, you'll be creating designs that not only look good, but also communicate effectively and resonate with your audience. In the digital age, graphic design is synonymous with software skills. That's a fact we can't ignore. Software is the tool that brings our creative ideas to life, and the importance of learning graphic design software can't be overstated. Let's take a moment to delve into this world. A graphic designer's toolbox is filled with a variety of software, each with its own unique capabilities. Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are some of the most popular ones. They're like the holy trinity of graphic design software. Adobe Photoshop, for instance, is the go-to tool for image editing and compositing. It's perfect for tasks like retouching photos, creating raster graphics, and designing website layouts. When you need to work with pixels, Photoshop is your ally. On the other hand, Adobe Illustrator specializes in vector graphics. It's the ideal tool for creating logos, icons, sketches, typography, and complex illustrations for any medium. When precision and scalability are key, Illustrator shines. Lastly, there's Adobe InDesign. InDesign is the industry-standard publishing app for designing and publishing high-quality print and digital media. It's best used for layout design, like creating magazines, brochures, and ebooks. Each software has its own specialty, and knowing when to use which is a crucial skill. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a nail, would you? The same logic applies here. Using the right software not only makes the process easier, but also ensures the best possible outcome. However, it's important to remember that these tools are just that, tools. They're here to help us express our creativity, not limit it. They're meant to be our aids, not our crutches. As a graphic designer, your creativity, originality, and problem-solving skills are your most valuable assets. Learning these software tools is not a walk in the park. It requires time, patience, and a lot of practice. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Don't be overwhelmed by the learning curve. Embrace it. While mastering software can be a daunting task, it is an essential part of becoming a successful graphic designer. So roll up your sleeves, fire up that software, and let your creativity flow. Let's design the future, one pixel at a time. Your portfolio is your ticket to the world of professional graphic design. In the same way a musician needs a demo, or an actor needs a showreel, a graphic designer needs a portfolio. It's essential, it's irreplaceable. It's your visual CV, showcasing your skills, your style, and your creative journey. It's your opportunity to impress potential clients and employers, to catch their eye and to tell them, without uttering a single word, this is what I can do. So, what makes a strong portfolio? Well, variety is key. Display a broad range of work that showcases your versatility. Show them that you're comfortable with logos, posters, web design, and more. But remember, your portfolio is not a storage unit for all your works, it's a selection of your best pieces. So focus on the quality, not the quantity. Your personal style is another crucial element. Sure, versatility is important, but so is uniqueness. Your portfolio should reflect you, your artistic voice. It should be a testament to your individuality. So don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your works. Updating your portfolio is equally important. If you've created something new and amazing, add it. Your latest work could be your greatest work. Keep it fresh. Keep it exciting. Remember, your portfolio is a living document of your career. It should grow and evolve as you do. Now, how do you present your portfolio? There are multiple ways. You could have a physical portfolio, a digital one, or both. A website or a blog could serve as your digital portfolio. It's accessible, it's shareable, and it's always up to date. A physical portfolio, on the other hand, could be a printed book or a collection of printed works. It's tangible, it's personal. It's your work in the flesh. A great portfolio not only showcases your work, but also tells your story as a designer. So make it count. Make it memorable. Let it be the key that unlocks the door to your future in the world of professional graphic design. The world of graphic design is ever evolving, and so should you. Just imagine a world where every morning you wake up to a brand new graphic design trend. The beauty of this field is its constant evolution, its vibrant dynamism that keeps you on your toes. The moment you feel you've mastered one technique, another one pops up, challenging you to learn more, to grow more. And that's the thrill, isn't it? The never-ending learning process that keeps your creative juices flowing. In this rapidly changing digital landscape, continuing education is not just an option, it's a necessity. From understanding the use of new tools to keeping up with the latest design trends, continuous learning empowers you to stay ahead of the curve. It is your ticket to staying relevant in this fiercely competitive industry. But let's not forget another crucial part of your journey: networking. Have you ever noticed how a single conversation can spark a brilliant idea? That's the power of interaction. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at a conference. It's about building relationships, engaging in meaningful conversations, and learning from the experiences of others. Being part of a community of like-minded professionals can provide you with a wealth of knowledge that you won't find in any textbook. It's a world where you share, learn, and grow together. It's a world where you find your mentors, your inspirations. So attend those design conferences, participate in online forums, join local meetups, share your work, ask for feedback, and most importantly, be open to learning. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn something new. And as you continue to learn and network, you'll notice how your perspective broadens, how your designs become more nuanced, and how you, as a professional, evolve. Continuous learning and networking are the keys to staying relevant and successful in the field of graphic design. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep connecting. The world of graphic design is waiting for your unique contribution. Becoming a successful graphic designer is a journey, not a destination. This journey begins with a solid understanding of the basics, where you immerse yourself in the world of colors, shapes, and typography. grasping the principles that form the bedrock of graphic design. Next, you venture into the realm of graphic design software. Here, you learn to wield powerful tools like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, turning your creative visions into stunning realities. Your journey then takes you to the creation of your portfolio, a showcase of your skills and creativity. This is your calling card to the world, a testament to your abilities and your unique perspective. But the journey doesn't end there. It continues with a commitment to lifelong learning, keeping up with trends, and networking with fellow creatives. Remember, every successful designer started somewhere. With passion, dedication, and the right approach,